Alright. Hello, my lovely audience. Anyway, welcome to another video. Chainsaw Man manga spoilers ahead. Anyway, let's get into the video. So, first of all, I need to discuss something. Denji, yeah, I started there. So what? This is legitimately sad for me, a little bit. Okay, so, there appears to be a rule with Denji. Every girl he meets tries to kill him at some point and falls for him. You can even see this in Chainsaw Man Part 2. But, Rize. Okay, let me enlighten you with the story first. So, it's raining, Denji's out and about for some reason. He meets this girl named Rize, they end up going on a few dates, Denji falls for her. Turns out she's a Russian spy and they get into a fight. But at first, Rize is just trying to manipulate Denji. But for some reason, Denji's some kind of ladies' man because eventually Rize ends up falling for him. Yeah, she doesn't realize it at first, but she falls for him. And so they fight, they end up washed up on a beach. Denji asks Rize to run away with him at a cafe they, went to together. She, of course, declines because her feelings aren't fully manifested. As she's on her way to leave the city, she goes to a bus, sees a flower, the exact flower, like the exact same kind of flower, same looks, same everything, that Denji gave her the first time they met. She falls for him fully. So while she's going to the cafe, Makima swoops down and kills her. Yep. Makima kills her. I'm gonna go on a rant on how much I would have liked it right. Chainsaw Man Part 2. Benji's relationship in there is cute, but I'm being honest. Am I saying that Chainsaw Man is bad with its fit? No. The sadness adds onto the story and makes it better. So if they do manage to run away together, they also have adorable, but I want to get this off my chest. This is depressing. Oh, random fun fact. For those people like me who don't care about spoilers and just watch things involving something they like, those people. Kobayashi goes on a date with the chainsaw devil. Yeah. She literally goes on a date with not Benji, Puchita, full chainsawed out. Like, not the cute dog, a full-on nightmare monster. Just look up chainsaw full form. It's horrifying. Kobeni goes on a date with that. Kobeni. Anyway. Yeah. Like the weird scaredy cat monkey lady goes on a date with I don't even know how to describe the thing. Carried around by weird intestine scarf. Yes, it's literally intestine. Known intestine wrapping around its neck. Like a prehensile trunk. I was gonna say. Fun fact, did you know that an elephant's genitalia, like their reproductive organ, I don't want to say it, their male reproductive organ is actually prehensile, as in it can do this and grab things. It's a monkey tail, but it's like a second trunk thing. It's that situation, but with... This took disturbing fast. But, yeah. Honestly, I would have liked Rize back in the story, like after the Makima arc, turns out. You know, Makima using her as a weapon brought her back to life. That could be okay, because Makima was kind of just manipulating her corpse. I wish that Rize came back to life. But it's probably better for the story, and in fact is. But hey, that's just my opinion. I'm not saying Chainsaw Man's bad because of it. In fact, I'm saying it's even better because of it. Because the sadness just adds on to it. Yeah. So, goodbye, my lovely, lovely audience. This was me ranting about Chainsaw Man.